Okay, I just got done opening up a box, and I bet you can't guess where it came from.
Canada! Canada! Canada!
Yep, that's right. This is the new 2011 In the Game Canadiana. There are 8 cards per pack with 3 hits inside. I'll start off by showing you the base cards I pulled. Got a Jean Bellevue. These are really nice base cards. They're printed on thick cardstock. Georges Venzia. Oscar Peterson. Norma Scherer. Maurice Mad Dog Vacon. And Yvonne DiCarlo. I think we all remember her from the Munsters. Now for my hits. Scott Niedermayer autograph. Manon Rahum autograph. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing some of these names. And I got a relic of Larry Walker. It's a 4-color patch, and this is the gold version. Alright, thanks for watching.